Yeah, there's a gun turret in the middle there.
Yeah.
Why here?
Why here in World War II? Where did they think they were?
Who were they going to shoot?
Who's coming out here?
Look at them all. They're everywhere. There's one there. There's one there. Yeah, let's have a little gander. Well, g'day everyone. Today Sam and I were driving around the local area, looking for trouble as per usual, and we saw these ruins off the main road. So of course we thought we'd go and investigate. So this area turned out to be a World War II anti-aircraft battery defence. Apparently it's one of two that were introduced to protect Lithgow's important mining, manufacturing and transport industries. And the Lithgow Small Arms Factory, all in response to the entry of Japan into World War II. Dummy gun emplacements, fake farms and other facilities were established around both of these stations. The primary role of heavy anti-aircraft artillery is defence against hostile aircraft, and these guns fired a 22 kilogram, 3.7 inch round to an effective height of 7,600 metres. And the maximum rate of fire for these guns was between 12 and 15 per minute. And here's the big old bolts that the gun would have been placed. And the emplacements all contain evidence of the gun fixings in the centre. And these consist of the 8 locating bolts arranged here in a circular pattern. Like this area, like a gun turret placement, I don't know, yeah. So the station includes 4 octagonal reinforced concrete gun emplacements. They're arranged around a central reinforced concrete command bunker. Inner and outer concrete walls form the rifle trench. Oh yeah! Oh wow! Coming for you. What is this? Is this for water?
No, this is for people.
Oh my god! What? Oh wow!
Trench. The trenches, duh. We're in the trenches.
This station was operational by the end of January 1942, but the threat to Australia moved further north, and the guns were removed 2 years later. When they were removed, the guns and the artillery crews were believed to have been shipped to islands off the northern coast of Australia, and the Hoax farm buildings that were surrounding these stations, they were all auctioned off after 1945. In 2003, 3 anti-aircraft guns of the type originally located at these stations were reinstalled at Bowenfels following their restoration. All the works were then completed around the gun emplacements to facilitate public access to the site, and they're open for the public to see today. Very well done. Wow, this is the coolest teenager hangout. Why wouldn't you come here as a kid?
Why wouldn't you come here and party?
Oh.
You been?
Cubby hole. There were a few more structures down here. Look, there's a concrete footing. There'd be probably a bit of stuff around here, like if you had a metal detector.
Yeah. See, I wonder if that...
So like, what are all these things for?
I don't know.
You can get to it from underneath.
Oh, that could have been a little fireplace.
Oh, it could have been. Oh.
Oh yeah, underneath is
Another little room.
I wonder if that was there for ammo boxes and then just come up through the floor.
Oh, it looks like they've had that idea. Oh wow, there's another room under there.
Yeah. There's another fireplace.
Oh. Wow, that's weird. Or maybe they're like little sneaky lookout spots. I don't know. You climb up in there and I don't know.
It's cute though, I love it. Imagine if I landed
Cool, you can convert this so easy.
like an outside entertainment.
Oh, you turn it into an Airbnb. Come and live in a war bunker. Yeah, for the blackberry. Oh god, I would not come in here at night. I don't want to come in here during the day. The fuck? Oh. Very damp. It's a weird figure drawn on the wall over there. Go the squizzy there. Hang on. Beat you through.
Oh shit. It's getting weird.
Bit of ritual going on here.
Yeah,
Oh yeah. Oh, they've even strung that up properly.
love it.
Ow. Should we get the REM pod out? There's a heap of them.
Just wearing 2 layers of pants is weird.
It's warm, huh?
Yeah.
I don't even have own thermals.
No, this is my first pair.
Oh yeah, it's another one of the gum placement things. Yeah, a little place to have a fire here, look. It's a good little spot actually. Yeah, they like ammo storage or something. An extra layer of concrete bays were built into the main walls, which form ammunition storage areas and also provided protection from bomb blasts. And all the platforms were protected with removable roofs, which could swing open on hinges, ready for action. Interesting, did some research. Bit of history.
That's the most protected.
Yeah, it's quite protected. You can have those undies too. This one's overgrown. No. This would be the one I'd choose to hang out in.
Yeah, I'd nestle in.
Yeah, absolutely. Isn't it funny how our brains work? I'm sure most people don't think, this is where I'd hang out.
I'm constantly building cover houses in my own brain.
Yes, guard dog. Absolutely. Go this way. Oh, look at the pampas grass.
I love that grass. That is beautiful. Is it native?
No, it's from South Africa, I think. And it's a noxious weed because it just spreads like crazy.
Yeah.
Good barrier on a property though, because the leaves are sharp.
Yeah.
You wouldn't be able to walk through it.
No.
And another one. Ah, there you go. Discovered. Yep. Being such a cold and blustery winter's day in the Blue Mountains, Sam, being the local, came up with the idea of us having lunch down at the tea rooms in the Megalong Valley. And it was a fantastic decision. It's warm and toasty inside. We ordered these turmeric lattes, I think, with an extra shot of caffeine. They were interesting. Yeah, don't know if I'll be ordering it again. And we ordered these savoury mince pies, and they were delicious. Exactly what our little bellies needed on this cold wintry day. And then on the way home, Sam pointed out the Hydro Majestic Hotel at the top of the escarpment, and you can just see it through all that dreary weather. So just a little bit of history. The Hydro Majestic Hotel, which is perched above the Megalong Valley, as you can see, in the Blue Mountains, opened in 1904 as Australia's first hydropathic resort and evolved into a landmark luxury hotel. Now, despite the absence of natural mineral springs, apparently they thought there were some there, I don't know, water was imported from Germany to support water-based health treatments. And apparently didn't taste great, but they said that's because it's working. By 1906, the popularity of health retreats had waned and the hotel was rebranded as the Hydro Majestic, shifting the focus toward luxury leisure rather than medical treatments. The venue quickly became a premier social hub, attracting elite patrons from Sydney and beyond, and is still considered a luxury escape today. Although I did stay there quite a few years ago, and it was pretty bloody average, I'd have to say. But I'm pretty sure they've done renovations since then. Well, that's it for this week. Thanks for watching. We've got an awesome episode coming out next week, so stay tuned for that one. We'll catch you later.